Alright, so let us try to solve this logarithmic equation. Log base 3 to x minus 8 equals log base 9 to 81 minus log base 3 to x. Alright, so you realize this is logarithm can only be solved if it's of the same base. So let us manipulate this. Log 9, now 81 is also 9 squared. Alright, so log base 9 to 9 is just 1. Just like log base a to a is just 1. Alright, so is log base 3 to x minus 8. This is just 2 minus log base 3 to x. Log base 3 to x minus 8. This is 2 log base 3 to 3 minus log base 3 to x. This is log base 3 to x minus 8. This can be written as log base 3 to 3 squared minus log base 3 to x. This becomes log base 3 to x minus 8 equals to log base 3. 3 squared is 9 over x. Now you can actually compare. If you don't need this, let me just erase this. Let me do it here. X minus 8 is equals to 9 over x as you remove log base 3. Alright, so could you cross multiply? X times x will give you x squared. X times negative 8 will give you negative 8x equals to 9. X squared minus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic expression. So 9 times 1, I will get x times 9 along this branch will give me 9x. 1 times x along this branch will give me x. Since I want a negative 8x, I have to put a minus sign here, in order to get a negative 8x, because this column I have to add, isn't it? So if I put a negative sign here, I have to put a negative sign here as well. Because the only way you ever going to get negative 9x is if you put a negative 9 here. So negative 9 times 1 also happens to give you negative 9, which satisfies the whole quadratic equation, and then x times x will give you x squared. So x minus 9, and x plus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 9, let this factor be 0, and x plus 1 equals to 0. So what do you do from here? You can just solve straight away. So you can see that x equals to 9, you shift negative 9 to the right hand side, and here x equals to negative 1. So you can see this is how we do it, but you cannot log a negative number, so you actually reject this. So remember to always reject, not always, but when you try to log a negative number, say for instance here, because here if you plug negative 1, you get log 3 to negative 9. You can't log a negative number. Alright, you'll be undefined. The answer will be undefined. Same here, log base 3 to negative 1, answer will still be undefined, so you got to reject this. Alright.